Ku Menteri Rangba Kajala u Conrad ke sangma haka arpau tarik unai wiang ula pentep baya ki babon ki projek ki kongsan bala pyntrei hapo New Shillong Township an sa pyndep haka bakut jong usnam arajar arpun rio. U Chief Minister haringkat kajingsan ran lang da usembut Menteri Rangba ubakmi yak trat Urban Affairs uba sngabhalang dhar kila penlong kajing le jurip yak jaka kaba arspa laipu ar akar bala IT na kabenta bantay ya ka New Shillong Administrative City, kabandan ya ka Administrative Complex kabahe, bat kaban kentop ya ka Secretariat Building, bat baro ki Directorate. Ngiladan hari ni ka jaka ha kaba ante ya ka Secretariat ka batamay, bat ki Directorate batamay jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya, henry kanam long tang ka Secretariat bat Directorate kumbap yo Syllad jonga. Kiladon shibun ki project ki badang pyntrei ha ka ni ka jaka, kata lakalong ka IT Park Phase 1, Phase 2, Utility Mall, Integrated Command and Control Center, ICCC, Skill Park Batamay, Prime Hub, ya ka heliport ka Shillong Ru, antay ha ka jaka, bat ka urban building, kabahe kan sawan hangni, ong Conrad, habaya kran bat kinong thok kubor. Kiladon shibun ki kam ki padang yad, bat ngi kwa shisha ba ka zone baro kaway, kan long ka jaka kabalapan kre bha, kanang bakan long ka bakarpang bha, bat kaban long ka nong ba ka batmu na kabenta ka laway, bat ngi kermen bat ngi tmu ban kmi lupa siya ki sanpo do shispa asnem ki banwan, bakin long ki babiyang nadong syadong. Nakata ka daw, piyo iya bagi surak ki bangi tmu ban shna, haka ni ka jaka, kinday ki bahe bat kaluit. Kata ka di ka jinyo i ka bangi layat syakmat ula benram. Haka ju kapuar u Conrad ula penparu, ya ka jing kaman banyo i haka bayadeb ka jing yat syakmat haka jing pyntrei ya ki projek haka ni ka jaka. Ngalawan menta haringkat usembut Menteri Rangba na lor ki opisar ban pet ya ki projek baper ki bala pyntrei, bat ngesngo kaman banyo i babun na ki projek ki ladam, bat buon ru ki bedang ya syakmat, bat haka bakut jong arajar arpasan, ngin yo i ya ka jing pendam ya ki babun ki projek, bat haka bakut jong arajar arpun riu, ngin sayo i babun na ki projek ki bahe, kin day ki bala pendap lut ong u Conrad. Shu haba penpa baka jaka kalong ba kongsan na kabenta ka roy kapar jong ka jila, Chief Minister ula ong. Ngisngok men shibun ban yo i baki kam kilayat kumbala temu, bat ngakwa ban ay kuble ya usembut Menteri Rangba badek mi ya katanan Urban Affairs, lembat ka kenhun jong katanan, ki bala penat jengmut bha, bat pen urlong ya kini barwa.
When it blooms, it's full 200 meters of that. The next one can be like that.
And walkway also we have 2.5 meters walkway, sir. Means walkway no, this is our utility ducts are 1.5, and then beyond we extend the footpath. It comes walkway 2.5 meters, sir. So it's around.
So this is going to be where? This one?
This
Is
one
this one?
start from here, sir. From here, sir. From here.
From this junction onwards, the entire road to IM.
Will be like this.
Yes. No, this road number 1, sir, yellow marking, sir. This is the cross section, and then the red and then this orange is this cross section, sir. Because this falls into government land on both sides of the road, sir. This part of it, private part of it.
And where is the housing area? Which the VIP? This is the one. Yes. So they also can walk like this. While this.
So everybody can access.
We are here at the new administrative city, where the new secretariat and the new directorate of the government of Meghalaya is going to be constructed. But it is not just the secretariat and the directorate. As you can see behind me, there are many projects that are going on in this particular area, whether it is the IT Park Phase 1, Phase 2, whether it's this current place of having the Unity Mall, whether it's the Integrated Command and Control Center, also the program for starting the new Skills Park out here, the new Prime Hub, will be having the new helipad, heliport of Shillong will be constructed here, and other large urban buildings will be coming up in this particular area. So therefore there's a lot of activity going on. And we really want this entire zone to be a very planned area, something that is going to be very unique, and something that is more of a futuristic kind of a city. And we hope that, and we plan with the view and the vision that looking forward for the next 50 years, 100 years, that this entire thing should suffice for that kind of working space in the coming years. And that's why you'll see that the roads also which we're constructing out here are broad roads with utility ducts in it. We have got walking space, we have got cycling space, as well as green space all along the roads also. So that's the kind of vision with which we're moving forward. I have come today along with our Deputy Chief Minister and all the officials to see the different projects going on, and we are very happy to see that many of them are complete and many are in progress, and by the end of 2025 we will see completion of many more projects, and by 2026 end we should see a large number of these projects being completed. So this is a really important area for us, and we are very happy to see that the work is going on as planned. And I would like to thank our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs, as well as the entire team of the Urban Department for having really focused and and made all of this possible. So we really look forward to it.